Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is mathematical reasoning. Now I am discussed about now using truth tables how to solve given problems. Now here the Boolean expression P and Q are P are negation Q and negation P and negation Q. Okay, now we are using truth tables. Now total expression value is X. Okay, let X is equal to P and Q or P or negation Q. Now and negation P and negation Q. Negation P and negation Q. Okay, now first here P, Q. Okay, now truth values here true, false, true. Now false, false. Next negation P. Okay, now here truth values are here true means not P. Now here false. Now true means this one false. Here false means true. And here also false means true. Next negation Q. Negation Q means now here true. Here truth value true means not Q, here false. And here also false, this one true. And here also true means false. Now false means true. Next one, P and Q. P and Q. Now according to first connectivity, and means both truth values are true means true. Remaining time false. Now and means now here P and Q both true values are true means true. Remaining all time are false. True false means and here also false, and here also false, and here also false. Next one, P or negation Q. P or negation Q. Okay, R means both truth values are false means false. Remaining time are true. Okay, P or here P or negation Q. Both here P or negation Q. Both false are false. Remaining time to both here and F. F means here false. Remaining time are true. And here also true. And here also true. Okay, next one. Negation P and negation Q. Negation P and negation Q. Okay, negation P and negation Q means now here both P and Q. Negation P and negation Q. Negation P and means both are true means true. Remaining time are false. Both are true means here true. Remaining all are false. And here also false. And here also false. Third one also false. Okay, next one. P and Q are P or negation Q. P and Q or P or negation Q. Okay, P and Q here both are P or negation Q. R means both are false means false. Both truth values are false means false. Remaining time are true. Okay, now here this one to this one both are false means this one false. Remaining time are true. This one true. And here also true. And here also true. Okay, next one X. Okay, now P and Q are P or negation Q and negation P and negation Q both. And means both are true means true, remaining time are false. Both are true means true, remaining time are false. And here also first one false, and here also false, and here also false. Therefore, this value x value is equal to, now here observe that according to truth table, now x is equal to, now negation P, here also false false true, and here also false false true. Now both are numerically equal. Now negation P and negation Q, negation P and negation Q. Therefore option 4 is the correct one. Option 4 is the correct one. Next one is the statement P implies Q implies negation P implies Q implies Q. Okay, now let x is equal to, logically equal to P implies Q, y logically equal to negation P implies Q implies Q. Okay, now using truth table, now here P, okay, now Q. Now here true and here also true, true false, false true, false false. Okay, first here P implies Q, P implies Q. P implies Q means now both truth values true to false are false, remaining all time are true. True to false are false, remaining time are true, and here also true, and here also true. Okay, next one negation P. Okay, negation P means not P. Here true means this value is false. Here true means this value is false. Here false means this value is true. And here also false means this value is true. Okay, next negation P implies Q. Negation P implies Q. Negation P implies Q means now here negation P implies Q. And here also true to false means false, remaining time are true, and here also true, this one true, and here also true. Okay, next one negation P implies Q implies Q, that value y logically equal to, now y is equal to this one. Okay, now negation P implies Q implies Q. Okay, this one to this one. Now here true true, true false. True false means false, remaining time are true, and here also true. Okay, and here also true, and here also true. Okay, next here x implies Q means this one to this one. X implies y. X implies y. Okay, this one value x, this one value y. Now here true true, only true to false means false, remaining time all are true. Okay, here true true, and here also false, and here also false. Now true, now true true, and here also true, and here also true means true. Therefore x implies y is all are true. Now answer 1 is correct one, A total C. Next one is, now here two statements are given. Statement 1, P and negation Q and negation P and negation Q is a, negation P and Q is a false. Okay, statement 2. P implies Q, double implies negation P implies negation Q is a tautology. Now here four options are given. Statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, statement 2 is a correct explanation of statement 1. And here also option 2, statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1. Now statement 1 is true, statement 2 is false. Statement 1 is false, now statement 2 is true. Okay, now using truth tables. Now here P, Q, okay, P implies Q, P implies Q. Okay, P implies Q. Okay, first here true, true. Now true, false, false, true. Now false, false. Okay, P implies Q means now according to truth implications, true to false is false, remaining time true. And here also true to false is false, remaining time are true. Okay, this one true and here also true. Okay, next one. Negation P and negation Q is there. Okay, negation P. First here write down negation P. Okay, now here true is there, here false, true, false, false, true. Here false means this one true. Next to negation Q. Okay, negation Q means now this one true means this one false. False means this one true. Here true means this one false. Now false means this one true. Okay, now P and negation Q. P and negation Q. Okay, P and negation Q means now P and negation Q. And means both are true. Both truth values are true means true, otherwise false. Okay, now P and negation Q. Now true, here false. Both are true means true. Here true, false means false. Now true, true means true. And here also false, false means now false. And here also false, true means false. Okay, next one. Negation P and Q. Negation P and Q. Okay, negation P and Q means, okay, negation P and Q. Okay, and here also and means both are true means true. And here also true means both are true means true. Remaining time are false. Okay, now here also false. Now here also false. Now here also false. Okay, next one. P and negation Q and negation P and Q. Okay, P and negation Q and negation P and Q. And means both are true means true, otherwise false. Now here false means this one false. Okay, and here also false. Now here also false. And here also false. Okay, now P and negation Q and negation P and Q is all are false. Okay, statement 1 is, this one is true. Okay, next one. P implies Q, double implies. Negation P implies negation Q. Okay, negation P implies negation Q means negation P implies negation Q. Okay, negation P implies negation Q. Now here negation P, negation Q. Now true to false are false. This one true to false are false. Remaining time are true. This one true, and here also true, and here also true. Okay, next one. P implies Q. Double implies negation P, negation P, sorry, negation Q. Negation Q implies negation P. Okay, negation Q implies this one. Negation Q implies negation P. Negation Q implies negation P means true to false. This one only false. Remaining all are true. This one true, and here also this one true, and here also true. Okay, P implies Q. Double implies negation Q implies negation Q implies negation P. Okay, now P implies Q. This one, P implies Q, this one. Negation P implies, negation Q implies negation P, this one. Both are truth values are true, true. Remaining all time are both same values. Now according to by implication, both are true, true. Both are false. Same values is there true. Otherwise false. Here true, true. This one is true. Now this one false, this one false. This one is true. Okay, this one true, true. This one is true. Okay, this one true, this one true. This one is true. Now all are truths means here statement is a tautology and here also true. But here both statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, but statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1. Therefore, option 2 is the correct one. Option 2 is the correct one.